This is an analog lung to show my friend who vapes entirely too much and has, I guess, vapor's cough that, hey, some of that stuff can turn back into a liquid inside your airways, clogging up your lungs a little bit. Look at the cotton. It is full of liquid and quite oxidized. So I bought them some mullein leaf. Oh, I don't want to make tea. So got them some of this mullein extract, which all you have to do is mix with some water, drink it with extra water, and then, make an effort to hack out some of that slime to give your lungs a bit of a fighting chance against the slime.